god, you can only see a corner.
Oh my god! You can see it. Hell! What the hell was that?
How did somebody project their vomit like that?
Watch, watch, watch.
Hit the button.
No, no, oh my god!
This guy, you guys look. This guy right here. He looks like a golden retriever.
Oh my god!
He's hiding behind the chair.
Oh my god. I don't want this anymore.
My innocent brain is damaged.
You okay? Wait, there's all those other ones. You guys want to go to this?
God, so wrong.
I didn't even watch it and I feel like vomiting.
Oh my god, that was like a fountain.
Oh.
What the fuck? Say that.
Move that thing. If I'm gonna watch it, I wanna watch it right.
Oh my god! Okay, I'm done, wait.
Go. No! What'd you do?
All it was just a freaking cup, and he was just like,
I wanna see this.
What was that?
He like sat down on a bottle, he was like about to shit in it.
Yeah.
He's from penis.
Oh my god.
I don't want to be there. Guys, turn this off.
Only got one screwdriver, go.
What the hell?
Don't exit out.
Not one screwdriver. No,
I'm
no,
not gonna
no.
watch half the video.
Oh my god.
I want to be there.
This is like...
We need to leave now.
Joe's starting to watch these
Mom?
things.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're really getting into this. Like, I call my mom. They're watching guys shit on each other, and I want to go home.
Oh my god.
Bye.
Dude, what the... What was that?
There's a needle. Go, no!
What? Okay, Joe! Oh, dude, okay, we're good. We're good. No, just
Oh, my stomach. Oh, my God.
Wait, I need to close it. Okay. Holy crap, that was disgusting.
Okay, if it involves a screwdriver.
No more screwdrivers.
Oh, my God, I want to throw it so bad right now.
Baby shit.
Don't vomit. No! We're not watching it instant. I do.
I'd watch that.
Oh, God.
That's not bad.
Oh, that's just a kiddie.
It's just gross, though. Look at his shit-eating grin. Get it?
Like, I love my cookie.
Oh, my God, that was so bad. I was gonna
Shit,
for like
man.
a split second, all of a sudden I was like, this is what's blood. I was like,
Oh my god.
oh, dude, that shit's not sore right now. Okay, take a break.
I always felt like a gland.
No.
I'm gonna
Eight
cry.
girls, no cup.
I wanna.
Here's this pillow. I don't love you that much.
I wanna cry.
Don't be afraid about me. Freaking watch Joe.
And I'm afraid about
Hey, if you guys are gonna keep watching this, I'm gonna keep it.
Okay, show.
Hey, girls, nose stuff. Did you turn off the volume first?
Naya? Oh. No. Four girls. Oh, yeah, four girls can be a thing.
That's gonna be like shit.
It's gonna be shit everywhere.
Shut up.
It's gonna be like, where? I'm gonna draw a smiley face. Oh god. Don't even look for a little.
You're not opening the door, she goes like, yeah.
You really are? No, not on me, my mom just got me.
me. I
I'll
want
do
to
it
buy
with
so
my
bad
ass,
now.
bro, just with it.
Hold on. Do I gotta get plastic bags for you guys?
No,
Nick.
no.
Nick.
Dude, what is wrong with our world?
Where's wrong with that?
Yeah, no shit.
What do you mean us? I ain't doing this shit.
What are we doing? What
You're
are we...
watching it.
I know.
It's just fun for the laugh.
Well, it's just gonna be both.
Then we shall remember right now
Where's
at
happening?
about 9:10 we watched about the most weirdest.
Disgusting. Weird is not the word. Wait, what happened to your camera?
Seriously, I'm gonna
We're doing
like,
Raise it up.
we're doing specific giggles. I mean,
No,
not shit.
No more shit.
Never say shit.
oh my god.
Yeah, no shit. Not that, but oh god.
I don't think it's ready.
No, this is not working.
Who does this? Really? Whoa. This shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Okay. Need more shit. You just can't get enough shit. Nick, you had KFC. Nick, you had KFC. When you go to the bathroom tonight, imagine this. Imagine you're not sitting on a toilet, but a girl's face. They wanted me that says ha 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 ha.
Whoa, my
Whoa,
God,
okay,
no.
no.
Yes!
It's just animals doing out animals.
No, I bet he's like bestiality.
What is that called?
Yeah. Bestiality.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my mom.
No, fuzzy. Or furry.
Dude, my mom just kept going to bed. Hope you have a ride home.
Stay the night if you want, but I know you don't like it.
Wait, which one did you do?
I hate this girl so much.
Why?
She always texts me, 11/11, make a wish. I'm not gonna make a wish on 9/11. It's 9/11 here. I'm not making a wish.
Why are you texting so much to our girl, Nathan?
Because I have no life.
Does she
Wait,
support
where's she
videos?
Does she put out videos? Does she support these videos?
Like 2 hours later, I'm in a different state. Yeah. So, where are we at? Wait, do you know what state you live in?
Seriously think I put them out.
No, I'm in Minnesota.
Seriously think I put them out.
I did.
You're gonna vomit?
No, I was here for my mom.
Like, I could say
You should have done it into Dominic. So we could have recorded it.
What the hell?
I was seriously stab you in the fucking neck. Joe, you're gonna vomit?
Why is it not working?
Why do you watch?
Why do you care?
Why is it not working?
Okay, I'm turning this off.
No, don't.
Yeah, Nate, jump. Here we go.
Where's the camera?
Perfect!
Alright, everyone. How was it? How'd you guys like all the videos?
I like blowjobs.
What do you think? Did you like the videos? Okay. Dominic. Okay.
You're going gay because you saw a screwdriver going on too, right?
No!
Fuck you, man. Dominic,